Viewers, welcome back to Talk Show News Media, and if it's the first time, subscribe and turn on the post notification bell. Now viewers, in this video you can see clearly that there is a police officer running towards the person who is recording the video, and he pulled his firearm and aimed it at him, took away his cell phone. It was said that the person who is recording witnessed a murder of a taximan. Don't know exactly where this took place, my people, but as you could see, it is not a good idea, because the guy who is recording, what the police thought in his mind, that if he was to be charged, this cell phone recording could be used as evidence against him. So he don't want that, so he's trying to prevent that. Now my viewers, we're just gonna watch the video and then we'll come back and have a discussion about what we think.
Taxi man in our deal with some taxi man. Taxi man in our deal with some agent. Taxi man.
Now my viewers, clearly you can see that the officer is wrong, because if he didn't wrong, he wouldn't trying to stop the man from recording, right? And I guess he's saying that this can be used as evidence on him in the court, so he's trying to stop him from record. I don't know what took place after that, my viewers, but it's to show you how the police officer is operating. Whenever you take out your phone recording something that they have done, it is a problem. But if you're recording something else which doesn't affect them, it won't be a problem. So this is the society that we're living in, my people. Now on to the next topic. There is a police officer, as you could hear clear in the video, the man stating that the driver is a police officer which is running a taxi on the road. But however, for some reason something went wrong and the drivers weren't having it, so they were talking vigorously against the police officer, who remained calm. If it was some other police officer, things could get worse, but I have to say well done to the police officer. He remained calm and till everything play out, and then he just drove away off the scene. Now my viewers and subscribers, let's watch the video and then we'll come back and have a discussion about it.
Okay, what? You can't tell me that. You can't tell me that. You can't tell me that. So you're police. So you are police. How do you do that? How you do? How do you do? Young video. Young video. Where you do? Where you do? Idiot. I lose your walk. Let me stand. Yo, just relax. Yo, video here.
Pussy, yo,
lose your walk. I want to know
if you come for
work, your badge number, that one. That one.
a fool in the side, brother. Come for work.
Remember that I'm me a video. Yeah, man, if you are
because I don't sell work, brother.
I lose a walk.
Daddy, I don't sell work.
Because I big all that soup, yeah? Yeah, riff raff. Yeah?
Move.
Yeah, riff raff. You remember you do all that go?
Brother,
I'm in the face. No, who you are wrong with, so you are police, yeah? Come on aside.
brother, move the car out.
You just pull it down and leave me in my face. Back out your gun and enjoy you, because you're a bad man.
Don't stop videoing.
Stop me, I say, you think afraid of you?
We are a fool in it.
Stay afraid of you.
Don't stop videoing.
Think him out, you're going to lose your work, ducky. Hear that? You're going to lose your work. You're going to lose your work. That me I tell you. You just pull it down and leave me in my face. Hear that, police boy. What a bad number. That me I tell you.
Like a fool there, son.
That me I tell you.
Feel like a fool there, party boy. Don't put a car, how you do? Post wall, I leave no car for one party boy. How you do? How you do? Bumper wall. So slam your foot tonight again. Post wall. Don't move that. Oh yeah, don't move car.
Batty boy, go here for boy, suck your mother. You feel like nobody afraid of your batty boy. Lock your phone now. You can't intimidate nobody around you.
Now viewers, I'm not sure what started that altercation with the taxi operators and the police officer, but I must say congratulations to the police officer. He remained calm and he played it smooth. Now, this is what you call good policing. We need more police like these on the street, right? So when there's an altercation, you have good police officers that can remain calm, but you have police officers too who will be very disrespectful at times, because if it was some other police officers who cannot hold that pressure, things could have escalated much more worse and people could have get hurt and stuff like that. We don't know what started the whole altercation, but we have to say congratulations again to the police officer. Now my viewers, I'd like you to leave a like on this video. Also subscribe to the channel if you haven't as yet. Turn on the post notification bell so when I upload a new video, you'll be the first to be notified.